Oh, good gosh, my hair. Bro, I just woke up, bro. Alright, let's get started real quick. 10 minutes till 8:30 open. We have unemployment claims today. On the daily, we have this relative equal lows. We've traveled above this order block here. So order block's 50%. Looks like. When we close that, we're taking that high out. I want to see this high taken out, this high taken out. Go to the 1 hour. We have this sort of range here. Actually, we'll do that. We have this sort of range, relative equal highs. We're using this order block here. And the same thing using this order block on ES. Looks cleaner on NQ, I will say. But relative equal low, it's just really consolidative right now. That's why it might be a bit unsure on where price action is going. I think dealing range wise, I'll probably use this. Yeah, we get that discount order block, structure shift here. And then we reopen Notion because I want to check something. We have our fair value gap here, and then we can always just go into that lower fair value gap there using use this range here, relative equal lows in London. That will be our sell side. I want to see that probably spent at 8:30, 15. Yeah, 15. Got this for value gap here. ES has already went into that lower fair value gap. We also had our structure shift there as well. 15-minute. This is our fair value gap. So we've already taken out sell side and gone lower there into that fair value gap. I want to see these relative equal highs for my buy side and all of these highs here. So kind of just stacked. Mark out this and this. At the moment, right now, assuming that my logic for these equal highs are correct, then right now today would be a pretty nice framework. Again, this order block and a discount, I'm not 100% sure of that, but I think it makes sense using this dealing range. Going to the hourly again, market structure shift, fair value gap there, relative equal highs here. 15-minute, relative equal highs, discount fair value gap, discount sell side. But we've already taken it on ES, so we don't necessarily have to take it on NQ. But since NQ is cleaner, I'd like to see that, honestly. All right, now go to my notes. It was this one. Implementing economic calendar in the open. This one he talks about a more advanced market structure. I'm not 100% sure on that market structure thing, so I'm probably not going to be using that, although I just want to see. Just say release at 8:30. That's 8:30 there. Okay. Yeah. So preferably I'd want to see higher. Let's see 8:30, take out some sort of low. And then for us to get a model higher. Yeah, in this case it ran up higher and then went lower, so it's kind of sort of manipulation there. It didn't go into 1 minute unfortunately, so kind of sucks, but alright. In terms of being bearish, I think it's much cleaner on ES, but just take a look at the ES. Oh. That's where I'm like, damn, bro. Yeah, don't really have that much of a grasp on the bias. Come to YouTube. Look on my chat. Alright. Yeah, so honestly, overall on the daily, I'm actually. Yeah, so honestly, overall on the daily, I want to see that for value gap get hit since we closed below and back inside that range. So far, we've rejected off of something. Since we closed below and back inside that range. So far, we've rejected off of something. So far, we've rejected off of something. I don't know what it is, but yeah, I'm gonna stick to my my suspicion that it's gonna come down to this fair value gap, even though it come higher. I'm gonna stick to my which would allow me to be a little bit more confident on taking longs on the indexes. It's 829 right now. No. 3 minute kind of does that. Does have a model. We have our structure shift here. The 3 minute kind of does that. Does have a model. Let's see what A30 does. Let's just allow A30 to do this thing. A30 opens now. A30 does. Let's just allow A30 to do this thing. A30 opens now. Just tape reading at the moment. Just tape seeing if this fair value gap holds. Right. Just seeing if this fair value gap holds. Okay, now we get into that discount. Now I would love to see structure shift above the highs. We get into that discount, and then let's go into the draw. I would look at NQ now above the highs because I'm not gonna lie, it's clean up. And then let's go into the draw. I would look at NQ now because I'm not gonna lie, it's clean up. Sweep does feel a bit shallow. Maybe you would wanna receive that. I'm not sure. Sweep does feel a bit shallow. Either way, I think I'll still take a long if it comes up to here. Size. And we have S&T at those lows. And we have S&T at those lows. Did we tap that gap? Oh shit, we didn't. So I wouldn't even be able to say that anyway. Did we tap that gap? Oh shit, we didn't. I have already gotten a key. Be able to say that anyway. So, I have already gotten. No more $500 risk. If I was to take anything. No more $500 risk. If I was to take anything. Looking like we're going for a more deeper run of these the sell side. Looking like we're going for a more prefer to see that anyway. But if we get a model here, then that's perfectly fine as well. Prefer to see that anyway. But if we get a model here, then that's do I? If we do get a model here, do I want to take that? Side. If we do get a model here, do I want to take that? Lower, maybe we wanna. Yeah, I think we should probably have a deeper one of those lows. Yeah, I think we should probably have a deeper one of those lows. Oh my gosh, my desktop audio was on the whole time. Alright. Like we're going for a deeper run. Still looks a bit shallow. I'd have to see like really big displacement for me to take long here. Then it'll be more convincing that that's actually a sweep. Much nicer sweep now, yes. Now I'd like to see some displacement higher. I could be offside, but I feel like I don't feel like I'm offside actually, but if I go into the daily, yes, we are looking a bit bearish, yeah. So in that sense, say maybe we are looking upside. I'd probably try and target something a bit instead of this these highs here, probably these highs. Actually, let's take a look at that. 1 to 3. Not too bad. Yeah, so using this dealing range here, say we displace up partial, and then probably partial somewhere along here, and then full take profits there. 7 micros. Take a look here. It's really feels a bit slow right now. I feel like if I'm under 1 minute, then I'm like I'm kind of trying to force something that's might not be there. So I'll focus on a 3 because this actually looks like a sweep on a 3. Relatively close, sweep that, and then I want to see shift above this high. Use this high just for good measure. Honestly, the 2 minute doesn't look half bad either. We'll stick to the 2 minute. This would be a nice sweep here. If we make a swing high. The signs, they're all lies. We don't even need to sweep this low again. We can just close, swing high, short shift, and trick. Like I do. Again. But I'm scared, so I'd rather pretend. $56 into the close, and I want to see displacement above that. We're already displaced above that sweep, so it's looking pretty good so far. Nice swing high. This itself would be a mark short shift if we break that high. Already broke out on ES. Not looking at the 1 minute. It's a bad sweep on 1 minute. Look at a 2 minute hit. Does not look like we want to displace lower. Oh, higher, sorry. I need something explosive. Yeah. Okay. Decent. Ah. Alright, looking probably at the. I'm still looking at the two, 3, and 4, but. Board block. See her in the back of my mind. Okay, looking a bit worse here. End up using 830 to just come lower, it looks like. Okay, if we sweep this sell side, this will be longing the buy stops, sell stops. $12.55 right now. Take a look at what it does here. Not sure if I'm putting myself in a bad position here or not. Just because of the high time frame, I feel like I'm not, but the problem is we're longing into a bearish value gap, so I'm not really too sure there. Keep looking at this 5 minute. It's more promising. Looking for the second high to be broken, and then probably a further value gap beside that. Nice displacement. We'll see this fair value gap form, something like that. Not clean on a 3. Possibly the 4 minute. Completely closing that gap. I don't think it's looking like we are wanting to come higher now. I have to wait till like 9:30 some shit. Clear up price action. Again, if we get a displacement above this second high, then I'll still take a long there if we get value up in that. But otherwise, nothing so far. Nice displacement here. Paying attention on the 4 here. That's like the minimum. Either 5 or 4. Probably the 4 since it closes quicker. Look at this robotic up there. We just really don't want to do anything. Holy shit. Tapping into that 15-minute bearish robotic gap there. So a bit of like a both side thing here. Yeah, I think best bet at the moment is just to wait until what open does. This fair value gap might look on the 1, but it doesn't really matter to me. Bit trash at the moment. If we get market structure there, or like a close above that, and then a fair value gap, I'll be willing to take that, but otherwise, nothing. Discount hourly. Actually, nothing. No entries in this price action here. terrible right now. End up sweeping again. This would probably be my final sweep. This would be sell stop support here, assuming that we're going higher. Always see that. Ahead of 9:30, we manipulate lower. Just want to see what happens here. I think I'm just gonna go on my bed for a bit. Alright lads, I'm back. I'm back again. Alright. Just take a look. Okay, so 1 hour. We're digging deeper into this Ferrari gap here. 15-minute, again, digging deeper into this. So honestly, a model here is perfectly fine. I'm not even, I wouldn't be too against that. Model off open, relative equal lows taken, resweep, swing high, short shift, for valley gap. That's what I want to see. Where do I want to take it though? Yes, on Q. Probably on Q. That was to choose. It's cold as hell, bro. It's freezing. Still looking at higher. But the thing is, like, the more I look at it, the more it looks like it's setting itself up for lower. Two-minute order block. Are we coming off a? There we are. Okay. So we'll I was thinking of trying it, but not sure if I should. Coming off that 15-minute order block. Coming off a 15-minute Ferrari gap. If we show some sort of support here, then I'll take it. Six micros. We'll do 4 micros as an entry. Then yeah, we'll do 4 micros as an entry, and then if we get a structure shift there for a value gap, we'll enter the rest. Right now I need to see some sort of support here. Still nothing. 130 is opened. It's fine. I'll take that. Okay. Hold on now. Hold on. Calm down. Got a pretty bad fill here. Oh gosh. Looks like I'm gonna get cooked here. Checking out there. Fuck. Okay, I think I don't think we're just bullish then. Fuck. Okay, yes. Okay. How much was that loss? 424. It's not looking good. Probably gonna try this last simp long here. reason why I was expecting 930 to come higher was because we already manipulated 830 to 930. I was expecting this 830 to 930 to be our Judas swing, which we did do. But to be fair, we didn't really even get a model. I was kind of doing the higher risk entry here. But I think this will be perfectly fine as well. Entering with lower size now because we already lost once. Entering with 3. So entering with 3 instead of 4. 4 would be 500 almost. Because I already lost once. So still leaning on my bias being correct here. Okay, got that. For belly gap now. Nothing on ES that I can use. Let's see what's happened to that for belly gap. Although could be a oh, okay, never mind. I was gonna say this could be a breakaway, but no, man. Alright, last attempt here. Don't know why that's still there. Limit. And oh, looking at this high here. So overall, 1 R loss so far. I think I'm in with 400. A little less than 400. And that R is almost 2.31. So go. Over here. Probably want to see that upper portion of that value gap here. That's my target. Taking not sure if I do want to take that one off. can join the BC now. Hello? 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 Yes, it's still doing its own thing. Allow price to just try and move higher here. Might be taking off one here. Premium swing high. Not too sure. Try and use the displacement. Is that it? Actually, no. Oh. This loss could have been unnecessary. Yeah. Thankfully, I did de-risk a little bit, but that kind of got cancelled out because I got a really bad fill. Want to see this push higher now. We can come down into this vertical gap, that's perfectly fine, but yeah, de-risked again here as well, just because I took a loss earlier. It's looking like I'm gonna get cooked here. Oh, good God. honestly, if we don't push off from here, I don't know if I'd be trading for the next week or so. Because we are at a pretty nice point in price action where we should be going higher relative to equal highs. Again, closed above mean threshold of the order block and back inside that range. Again, relative to equal highs. So I think honestly this should play out, but if it doesn't, then I have no idea what I'll be expecting for the next few days. It looks like it's not going to play out. Good God. Alright, I think that's me off for that. So, what's that? Holy $800 loss, basically. Again, the reason I took this trade here was because 15-minute order block here I was expecting resistance off of that order block 8:30 to 9:30 Judas, and then we come tap that order block at 9:30 and then push off higher, but didn't work out. Here we actually got our model, and that didn't work out either. So now I'm a bit now I'm just not really looking for anything anymore. Think I'm probably going to be ending stream here, just watching the chart for now. I'm not going to be taking anything until tomorrow. Really sucks. Just check my notes on I think it's this one. Yeah. So this is kind of the thing that I was looking at. At key time, we tap a order block. At key time, we tap an order block. Come in, tap that order block here. Come in, tap that here. Order block. And yeah, that's basically what I was expecting, but it didn't play out, unfortunately. So my bias and narrative was just wrong. Think probably for the rest of the week, or maybe next week as well. I'm not going to be trying to look at Trying to look out where. Trying to look out where price is gonna go. Trying to figure out if we could come higher and sweep that. Just sweep this low here. Is that what we were trying to do? I don't know. I'm just gonna paper trade. Paper trade. Just gonna take read this. All right. I'm gonna stop streaming here. I think that's enough for today. Two fairly good trades. Maybe this one was a bit of. Actually, I'm not sure. I'm not sure about this one. Yeah. I think both of them were pretty relatively logical trades. It's just that I think my bias and narrative was just wrong, and because of that, I'm not going to be trading for the next few days. To be fair, we are still consolidating in this range, so. Yeah, alright, anyhow. See you guys in the market review later today. Hope you guys have had a better trading day than mine. And yeah, join the Discord. It's in the link is in the description. And I'll see you guys next time.